Hello friends, tini narokna bagai katal notification kaisa tifika omongkha Staff Selection Commission bisingtei Head Constable Ministerial in Delhi Police lajaknai omongkha short notification o short notification o rijak tongo Staff Selection Commission ni bisingtei no vacancy okhornai previous year o chini vacancy okhorkha 554 jon okhoja te 2022 jang prai 700 plus vacancy okhornai hinai kha khlaio mungkha short notification o short notification sujak tongo computer based exam lajaknai te obni ulo sujak tongo te final official notification okhornai 17 tarikh no okhornai 17 tarikh 5 March 2022 o tarikh no okhornai ero website rijak tongo o website reno bo publish khairnai te o website jang nungnai qualification te vacancy te age limit reno omohai chwlarokni vacancy busuk te bwrwirokni vacancy busuk omohai full details no chung nugui mannai friends chung 17 tarikh no official notification discuss khainai lainai o final official notification naina bagai haste na job channel no subscribe khai te bell icon no click khai tondi te video upload khlaimani loge loge nung nugui manna tei।